Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro K6 knife. So this is a really big oversized dive knife. It really sort of pays homage back to the original dive knives that the divers used to have decades ago, but it's a big cutting tool. So this is exactly what you get inside the package. So it comes with a pair of leg straps. These have one-way ratchet adjustment straps and a little sort of bow tie or sort of butterfly style buckle. So you just have to twist those to activate them. Knife itself is held securely in the plastic sheath. That's not going to come out unless you push on this button on the front. So to deploy the knife, you push on that, grab hold of the knife and then pull it out. So big sized knife. We've got a sort of mirror finish to the stainless steel blade, a big chunky handle on it as well, and this is kind of rubberized and it's ribbed as well, so you get a real good grip on that handle, which is especially handy if you're diving in colder water, so you've got big clunky gloves on. As far as cutting edges, so we have a small sort of line cutting notch, so that's very handy for your fishing lines. We've got a serrated section along the top for thicker ropes and whatnot. This section is blunt, goes up to the tip, which is very pointy, and then a very sort of long, straight cutting edge for your sort of everyday use. At the other end of the handle, towards the hilt, we have this metal section. They call this a communication device. That's basically so that you can bang it on your cylinder and use it as a bit of a tank banger. I probably wouldn't, because it involves deploying the knife and then you've got the sharp bladed area sort of around your back, so I'd avoid doing that. But if you need to sort of bang anything like a hammer, for whatever reason, that would be quite a handy little thing. In my opinion, a little bit big. I tend to use a very small knife, a small cutting tool. This is a little bit excessive, but depending on what you're using it for, if you are kind of sorting out lots of fishing nets and sort of big clunky ropes and whatnot, a lot of ghost gear underwater, then yes, this might be a little bit more practical because you've got more cutting area and it's a big tool that you can really grab hold of. So depending on what you're using it for, it might be a little bit excessive just for some reef diving, obviously, but if you're doing some heavy duty cutting work, then yes, this might be the knife worth looking at. This is the Scubapro K6 dive knife. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.